Hello, today I'm gonna take a review to this CZscorpion vz61. This is a nice gun, but a little bit cheap. Almost all is plastic. This is a good gun for beginners, and yes, airsoft gun, hop-up system, 6mm BBs, spring powered. Okay, here is the menu, some picture, BBs, 6mm BBs. I promise you, don't use these bullets. Don't use these bullets. This is to check hologram bullets. Bullet loader. This thing put you on this mag here, and this is the mag. Push this button down here to the button and push this button in and take it. Here is the Scorpion. This seems wood, but it's plastic. All is plastic. This is metal in here, and metal. This is a spring powered, I say. Yes. This is the scope. You have two scope. One is this. I use this, but this is shorter than this. Here you put the mag in. Here is the button. You push this and take the mag and drop it. Now I will show you. When you put this in, would you hear this noise? Did you hear it? Again. Save, shoot, and hop up. Yes. This is a good gun. Now I will test it. First, you check the bullets. Take some bullets. I will just show you now. Just put in, remember, drop this button down here and take bullets in. And now I will push it there, and you remember, hear this noise. Okay, now I will load it. Load again. that was that. Thank you.